During the winter, our days are shorter, and it starts getting darker earlier in the evening, sometimes late afternoon. The sun's going down and it gets pretty dark. And if it's cloudy and snowing and that, seems to get darker even sooner. So it's not normally a problem, but with snow removal, lack of light can be a potential hazard. So what we're doing today is we're putting extra lights on the Bolens. We're putting a light bar on top. It's got lights on it, and they're not too bad, but just not adequate. So I want to put a little bit of extra light on, just for safety. Yeah, light bar's got some pretty good light output. It's got 2 rows of 20 LEDs. Well, it's like 40 LEDs altogether. It's 18 watts. That kind of overwhelms the camera a little bit. It's a little quite bright. The aperture on the camera is open pretty good right now. You can see the street lights on. It's darker than it appears in the video. So the light shows up really, really well. I'm going to be putting a light bar on the monster eventually. Not necessarily for this purpose. I can use it for this, but mainly for doing video at night. I use my headlamp. It's 8,000 lumens. I'm not sure what the light bars are. They don't measure them in lumens. They're measured in watts. But the one I'm looking at, it's got 6 LEDs in it, and it's 18 watts as well. It's the same power as the one that Codey's using there. It's just a little bit smaller. And his are Cree LEDs. I believe mine are the Q7, I think they're called. It's the same one that's in my headlamp anyway. They're super bright and super powerful. So it's probably not going to happen until spring, putting it on. I don't like working in the cold, so I won't likely be putting it on anytime soon. But that's the one I'm looking at. It's about 8 inches long, 6 lights. Kind of nice looking. I think it would be nice on the monster. But that's what my plan is. So for now, at least we can be a little more secure when we're doing the snow blowing in the evening. A little bit better visibility. Thanks for watching.